the button. Press it again. Now this time, press. Now I can't remember.
Yeah.
Okay, this time press the P.
Look at her hard at work.
Ooh.
Hey, can you open this?
Yep. You gotta put it right there. Oh, you did a good job.
Can I do another one?
Yeah. Here, try this one.
Maybe this is
You think that one's a scary movie too?
yeah.
Now press the button.
This?
Not that one.
Where? Okay.
This one. And now press the P. Press the P. Ooh.
Can you open this?
We're gonna send it on away.
What do you think, Hannah? Was that fun?
We did a good job. We got one more.
What is that one?
You're not listening to this one, are you, Sam?
We'll see.
That one is a big one.
Yeah, this one's really big.
She wants to put it out.
So big. Okay, press the button.
This?
Yep, that one. Press it one more time.
Thank you.
Good job. Good job.
What should I put in?
Put it right in there.
I did it!
Did it. We're all done.
No, I want to get down.